BMW driver learns a hard lesson after trying to show off drifting at a gas station.
The tense pursuit began as police trailed a drunk driver recklessly swerving on the road. Despite multiple warnings, the suspect refused to stop, forcing officers to plan for a pit maneuver. The car lost control and plunged into a field, where police subdued the panicked suspect. No injuries were reported, but the incident serves as a stark warning about the dangers of drunk driving. Dragged on as the woman drove at high speeds, ran red lights, drove against traffic, and sped onto sidewalks. She constantly changed directions, making it difficult for the police to maintain control as speeds reached 70 miles per hour.
Going up on the grass. Powers jeweler. She's stopping. Negative, she's going through the grass again.
Getting through the grass.
Over the curb on snow. Going left on snow.
If you can, look at that girl.
Was that a hit?
Primary. Looks like a good hit from Wood Park. Looks like we're about to bail here. Bridge. Coming back up to Henry Ford, 40 on secondary.
Still westbound on Brook Park.
663. It appears that she was intentionally trying to push into other cars. Yep. It's Graydon. And it looks like we're going to go past Graydon, continuing westbound. Speeds are 40 long. Well, there's debris in the roadway. Curb lane, 2 tires. We're getting on 480 east. And it looks like speeds are about 15 right now. Might be coming to a stop here on the outroad. Cars having trouble holding it together, driving off the road here on the on-ramp on 480 east. 480 eastbound, coming across all the lanes to the fast lane. Speeds are only about 15 right now. No tires on the left side of the car. Make a wall, stay wide behind me. We're coming up to the 71 split. They're taking it here. They're weaving back and forth between lanes. She's now going the wrong direction on 480 eastbound. We do have traffic behind us stop though. Looks like we're coming to a stop here. Yeah, we gotta get this car stopped. We gotta head on, block it in.
With 2 flat tires, the car came to a stop, and officers quickly subdued the woman. Her reckless and dangerous actions made the chase both extraordinary and noteworthy. A brazen drug deal right in front of the police, and the chase began. He sped through apartment complexes, desperately trying to escape, but every path led to a dead end.
Circle it, we're going back to the complex. Okay, that water plate. I'll tell you what we're going to do. Where are you circling to?
All tricks were shattered when the police car rammed into him, driving him into a dead end. With no way out, he hung his head and surrendered. A harsh sentence that would last a lifetime awaited him.
On February 9, 2024, an Ohio State Highway Patrol officer conducted a stop on a Chevrolet passenger car for failing to activate its hazard lights. The officer promptly turned on his own hazard lights to signal the vehicle to pull over.
823-13 Kentucky, Frank 2 Edward 767, Frank 2 Edward 767.
Hello, how you doing, sir? Driver's license with you? Yeah, you didn't use your turn signal when you got off 23 on the bypass there? Sir? Yes, sir.
As soon as the vehicle stopped, the officer approached to request the driver's documents. However, the driver appeared flustered and was unable to provide any. Without warning, the driver accelerated abruptly and fled, escalating the situation and leading to a pursuit.
All right, buddy. When you're doing this, whoa, that's it. What are you doing? Nope.
The suspect then sped away, and at one point the officer briefly lost sight of the vehicle. However, after a brief pursuit, the officer was able to catch up and regain visual contact with the vehicle. The driver drove recklessly, overtaking other vehicles at high speeds in a dangerously aggressive manner, putting both himself and others at significant risk. Seizing the moment, the officer successfully executed a pit maneuver, bringing the vehicle to a stop.
kill me. Don't kill me.
The officer drew his weapon and issued verbal commands to the driver. After a brief standoff, the driver was taken into custody and identified as Edwin Prude. A search of his vehicle revealed a loaded firearm. Prude was charged with failure to comply, possession of a firearm, and several other related offenses.